The sash off, unscrew that then becomes, it'll move in the chamber, and that looks like that. Once you remove that, you cut a hole back to the back legs, and that box will slide out. And what you do then, you slide the old one out, and then slide the new one back in by putting that down the chamber like so. If you were taking the old one out, you'd lift it up and just gently pull the top out and remove it. Take it out. Slide it out.